So hello and welcome to our Affinity Publisher course. My name is Nick Nixon and I will be your instructor today. And for the entirety of this course, of course. So this course will be all about the Affinity Publisher. And this course, I'm going to teach you how you will be able to use Affinity Publisher to create an amazing printable documents or maybe e-documents, e-books or whatever you want to use it for. So first, let's focus on what this course is not about and what this course is not for. So this course is not about Adobe InDesign, which is the bigger competitor of Affinity Publisher made by Adobe. This is not about Adobe InDesign. You don't need to know anything about Adobe InDesign. You don't need to ever use or ever seen or even ever heard about this software in order to understand whatever we are doing here. This software and this course, in this case, in my course case, is fully for the beginners, for anyone who have never worked in the publishing software and have never done any printable, never done any book or anything like that. Maybe you have worked something like in a word processor, like in a Word or Pages or Google Docs. Yes, if you have some knowledge like this, it's great for you, but you don't even need that in this case. Here, all you need to do is to have an understanding what basic things are, like how to type and what the font is and what interface is, and I will be teaching you everything else. Here, we're gonna learn everything that you need to have a basics of an Affinity Publisher. We're gonna create a very solid foundation of Affinity Publisher that will be probably a great foundation, not just for this software, but any Affinity Suite software, and then we are going to expand from it and create something bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And don't forget, this is not just a video, this is an actual course where I will be available for you to help. So anytime you have any question in any moment of the course, you can directly contact me and give me some time for you to answer, because yes, sometimes the time zones might not be same and it might be the middle of the night for me, but be sure that soon enough I will be giving you an answer for any questions you want regarding an Affinity Publisher. I will be always available for you. I don't know what other instructors are doing, but I'm always answering the questions from my student, unless there are too many questions because the time restrictions and things like that. But be sure sooner or later I will be coming back to you and giving you all the answers that you need. Well, again, I would like to welcome you to this course. I will hope that you're gonna have a lot of great time and learn a lot of things from here, and let's just get it started.